I'm planning on abandoning my family as soon as I turn 18. I'm 17, male, and in 2 weeks, when I turn 18, I'm gone. At midnight, I'm leaving this nightmare behind. My parents have always treated my younger brothers, 16 million and 15 million, like kings. Well, I've been their unpaid servant. For years, I've done every chore and been forced into endless sports schedules because my dad claimed it would make me a real man. Meanwhile, my brothers sit around playing video games, skipping school, and getting thousands of dollars in gifts. Me? I haven't received a single gift since I turned 12. I had to scrape together enough money to buy my first phone at 16 because they told me, don't ask us for anything. Now they expect me to take care of my lazy brothers when I'm an adult. My dad even said, we kept you alive, so you owe us. I owe them nothing. My brothers refuse to work or go to college, and it's not my problem. Let my parents deal with the mess they created. They have no idea I've been accepted to college in Virginia to study finance. They never cared enough to ask about my future, so I've been quietly planning my escape. When I leave, I'll change my number, email, and everything. I'll leave a letter exposing their cruelty and cut them off for good. They stole my childhood, but they made me strong. I'll succeed while they drown in their own mistakes. They'll never find